I want to take a moment to talk about something we often take for granted: sleep. It's not just about closing our eyes and hoping for a good night's rest. Sleep is where the real magic happens. It's where our bodies repair, our minds process, and our spirits recharge. I've seen in my work how deeply sleep affects every part of our well-being. It's not just the foundation for physical health, it's also essential for emotional balance, mental clarity, and even spiritual growth. So, today I want to share a few simple practices that can help you create the kind of sleep that truly restores you. Tip 1. Make your evening routine sacred. We often forget that how we end the day matters just as much as how we begin it. For me, creating an evening ritual, a consistent wind-down routine, has been a game changer. It's not complicated. Sometimes it's as simple as reading a book or writing down a few thoughts of gratitude. Other nights, I might light a candle and take a moment to breathe deeply, letting the busyness of the day melt away. These small, intentional acts signal to your body and mind that it's time to transition into rest. Tip 2. Use meditation to quiet your mind. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that our minds need rest just as much as our bodies. Meditation is one of the most effective ways to quiet the endless thoughts that often keep us awake. I've created Project Newsphere as a way to connect people through collective intention and meditation. It's not just about personal relaxation, it's about aligning with something greater. Before bed, spending even 10 minutes in meditation, whether it's focusing on your breath, visualizing a peaceful place, or joining a Newsphere session, can help you let go of the day's stresses. Tip 3. Turn your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should feel like a retreat, a place that invites relaxation the moment you walk in. Over the years, I've seen how much our environment influences our sleep quality. Start by keeping things simple. A comfortable mattress, soft pillows, and cozy bedding can work wonders. Dim the lights in the evening to prepare your mind for rest. If possible, keep mobile devices out of the room. They disrupt not just your sleep, but also the natural energy of the space. Tip 4. Nourish yourself with sleep-supporting foods. Food isn't just about nutrition, it's also about energy. What we eat, especially in the hours before bed, has a profound effect on how we sleep. Try incorporating foods that naturally support relaxation. A handful of almonds, rich in magnesium, can help ease tension in your muscles. A warm cup of chamomile tea is one of my favorite ways to wind down. There's something about the ritual of sipping tea that feels grounding. Tip 5. Embrace specific technology to support your sleep. I often talk about how modern tools can harmonize with natural healing methods, and sleep is no exception. I invite you to explore technologies that use PEMF or sound and light, helping you release stress and prepare for sleep. In our biofeedback course at Quantum University, part of many of our degree tracks, we provide valuable insights into how you can leverage these modalities for better relaxation, stress reduction, and ultimately enhanced sleep quality. During Sleep Awareness Week, I encourage you to reflect on your relationship with sleep. Try one or two of these practices and see how they feel. Small, mindful steps can create a ripple effect, transforming not just your nights but your days too. Here's to restful nights and rejuvenated mornings, because you deserve both.